Hello everyone, my name is Trezon Zingu. I'm gonna talking about the climate change. Uh, I did it presentation just for showing what happened with the climate change and then suggest some solution to that and then see what we can do and then how that affect our planet. According to United Nations, climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, such as through variations in the solar cycle, but since in 80s, 1980s, according to United Nations, climate change refers to long-term shift in the temperature and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, such as through variations in the solar cycle, but since the 80s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning fossil fuel like coal, oil, and gas. This shifting affects negatively our planet, and we have a responsibility of stopping what's happening now for preserving the future of our planet. I'm not the first who is interested in this matter of climate change. United Nations already start working on. However, that does not stop anyone from bringing a contribution to the question. As you see in this picture, you can see that in 1984, uh, we have some parts that they were the water, some part, and then you see 2020, it looks like desert, and then the dryness so runs up. That is the consequence of climate change. As I said, first, it is important to know what is happening with the shifting of temperatures. Some important parts of Earth become desert, and some more rivers rise with consequence of migration of who live in this region. So that means that in this area, there is no one who can live here because there is no water, there is nothing. It's almost desert. If we do not act on this situation, the whole world will be affected. In America last year in December, in the western part of Kentucky, there is a severe tornado that kills over 80%. As I said previously, the cause of climate change are industries. Most of the developed countries have the technology that emit the gas which pollute atmosphere. As a result, the ozone layer which protects us from the sun's radiation is destroyed and temperature goes higher and higher. Another element is the fuel core, which pollute the atmosphere and contribute to the degradation of this situation. As a result of this situation, somewhere in the world, people suffering the famine, desert, river rising, severe storms, migration of people, and several natural disasters. Solution to the problem: shifting the technology, using electrical car, rationalize the cutting of forests, respect of different agreement on climate change, limiting global warming.